here we have the Arteck HB192. It's a stainless steel Bluetooth keyboard. I picked it up on a Prime deal. A few extra fancy features, but let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Okay, USB charging inside. This full tube just for that little cable. Well, I would have hoped there would have been USB Type-C for faster charging, but we just have the regular micro USB. Exciting, right? But to be honest, like this feels like just strong. So let's go ahead and pull it out of its plastic. Oh, look at that sheen. I bet it looks better out of the plastic.
I bet it does.
Ooh. Like, it's the underside. Why does the underside look that pretty? Like, but it is.
It's got to be appealing to somebody. Yeah, right. I know, but nobody even looks at that side. It's
right, like
on the face down.
Yeah, you can see a little bit of trim here. But I feel this thing. Oh, like lightweight, but it feels.
Yeah, it feels good. It feels solid.
Right.
It's that metal right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it gives you this premium. Yeah, the stainless steel here probably gives you that really premium feel in the hand.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of wobble. I wouldn't torque too much, but I mean, that's nice. Simple on-off switch. And one of the features I liked about this, these three blue buttons right here, you compare it to three different things. This is like your cell phone, your tablet, your computer, and switch between them as needed, which I think that's a pretty nifty feature. And the fact that, like, as we showed on here, the USB charging, I have a lot of wireless keyboards that I have to keep swapping the batteries out on, and that gets a little tedious sometimes. But this one, being able to just recharge it every so often, that's pretty cool.
One eternity later.
Here to go over the Arteck Bluetooth keyboard. I still like this thing. We've been using it for a few weeks now. Even Bruce bought one.
That's right. There's one downstairs.
I still don't, like, I like the glossiness. I've got a few fingerprints on it, so it's a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, because I have this thing on the go. Set it up with my tablet and a Bluetooth mouse. This thing's actually very easy to set up. Once you hit the little on switch, right here, go into your Bluetooth settings, make sure that your device is scanning for Bluetooth. And of the three buttons right here, you long press on whichever of the three you like to pair with something. It'll start flashing. That means it's ready to pair. And it shows up just simply as Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. Very straightforward. I have it paired to my tablet and slot number 1. Slot number 2, I should have paired to my phone. We can double check that right now. It does not appear paired to my phone. So I'm long pressing and the green light started flashing. See that? And my phone is scanning. There it goes. And it's connected. Now I'm going to utilize Samsung Notes for demonstration purposes. So, Note. I could have just typed that with the keyboard. I'm not even thinking.
We're so used to using our phones to type. So.
I know, exactly. That is exactly
Tablet,
the case for this. Apparently I've never opened this app on this phone before. But we'll start an individual page. Note. Okay. So, we're going to get Bruce using the keyboard here. And I'll start with the phone. Which light is highlighted right now?
The first line, the second light.
Second line. So it should be attached to my cell phone right now. So go ahead and start typing. I don't know if it, trying to get the focus. That. Hello, how are you doing? Okay, so pretty smooth. Then we'll hit number 1, and it should switch you over to the tablet. I'm doing good. And it really is that simple. I mean, it really is. I can't stress that enough. So easy to use. And I know it can seem a bit big on the width. I personally like full keyboards. When you get the more portable stuff, they're tiny, my fingers are bunched together, I'm typing like this. So I get a regular size keyboard here. I like my number pad over here. So it depends on your preference as far as that goes. But this thing is very, very thin. Feels sturdy, premium materials. And it is really lightweight. So if you do manage to fit this in your bag when you're on the go, you're not going to notice the extra weight. And short of somebody trying to intentionally smash this inside the bag or something, it'll take considerable force to break it. So,
Yeah.
So you got yours in. You've been using it.
Yep, I got a lot of work done yesterday with it downstairs. Just had it hooked up to my phone that was attached to my TV, and was able to do a lot of work with it.
So, yeah. And then, how much did you pay for yours?
It was $20 or $19 because they had an $8 rebate.
So he got it cheaper than I did, because I believe I paid like 27. Even it was marked at like $30 for me, and there was a coupon for that. He got the rebate to push it closer to 20. So either way you look at it, that's, in my opinion, a good deal, because finding a decent keyboard in general is going to cost you around $20. To get a Bluetooth one of this material, this lightweight,
Connected to multiple devices. I mean,
I feel that's really worth the money. So, as usual, we will put a link in the description below. So if you like it, go buy it. And of course, it is one of our links, so we get a tiny benefit for it. So if you like these videos, go buy it and help support us.
and it does work for the Apple phone too. We had to connect it to an Apple phone.
Oh.
Yesterday. Yep, when I was messing with it. Because
So-
David was here.
Easy setup on that.
Yeah. So it just connects right to the Bluetooth.
That is pretty cool. Alrighty then. Well, that's our opinion. And I have to emphasize, go ahead and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And we'll catch you next time.
Later.